Hello everyone, in this video we're going to turn this image to this. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a blank layer above this background layer. So just click on this plus sign. Alternatively, you can go to layer, new, and layer. Okay. So now on this blank layer, we're going to create something by going to elliptical marquee tool, drag it like this and hold the shift key to create a perfect circle. So now fill it with your foreground color. To do that, press Alt and backspace. Now Control D to deselect. Now you have already selected the layer 1, which is this circle, the layer of this circle, and what you have to do is press the Control key and then click on the background layer. Now you have selected both the layers. What it does, it activates the align and distribute option. Now press this horizontal center option, and then next is vertical center option. Okay, now the circle is at the center of the image. So now what you can do is duplicate this background layer. You can either drag this and drag this and put it on this plus sign and it creates a duplicate layer, or you can just press Ctrl J. Okay, so now you have created a duplicate layer of the background. Having that duplicate layer selected, go to filter, go to distort and spherize. You don't need to change anything. By default is the amount is 100%, and you just keep it as it is and click OK. Now it already created a kind of spherical look. Go to this move tool, click on move tool and drag it by holding shift key. If you're using older version of Photoshop, you don't need to press the shift key, otherwise you have to press the shift key. And what you are doing is you're creating kind of circle behind the circle. Just make sure that the circle is a little bigger than the black circle. Okay, now press enter. Now what you have to do is drag the duplicate layer on top of this circle. Okay, so it covers the black circle. So now having that duplicate layer selected, just press Ctrl and click on the layer 1, which is the black circle. Now go to this add layer mask, click on that. Okay, so it creates a mask on that duplicate layer. Now we don't need this black circle to be seen, so just click here on this eye icon, so it hides the black circle layer. So having the duplicate layer selected, once again we'll go to filter, distort, and then twirl. Okay, this time it's not spherize but twirl, and just click OK. I missed something. You just need to press Control and then click on this layer 1, which is black circle. So we are defining the area, okay, where the twirl effect is going to work on. Okay, so now go to filter and distort and twirl, and then click OK. Okay, so now we can see a kind of twirl effect on the sphere. Okay, so now Control D to deselect. Now what you can do is create a blank layer again, and here you can choose your brush. Make sure that your brush, the hardness of the brush is 0, and we have chosen the black color. And again, press Control and click on that layer 1, and yeah, the layer you have selected is still the layer 2, which is the empty or the blank layer. Okay, so we're gonna paint like this. Okay, so now after that, what you can do is go to this blending option and choose soft layer. Okay, now again, what you can do is go to this background, duplicate background layer, and double click here and go to this inner glow option and play with it, according to your preference. And adjust the opacity. Shouldn't be like too visible, so don't keep it 100%, just a bit less than that. And then adjust the size of the glow and then click OK. And then finally we can now again create a blank layer, and then here we're going to choose white color and then just click like this, and this creates a kind of shiny effect on that crystal ball. And it's too shiny, so we can just change the opacity of this layer to down to maybe 75 or maybe 80, around 80. Okay, so now Control D to deselect, and you can see that it's already looking like a crystal ball. You can make any changes if you want, but I think right now it already looks like a crystal ball, hanging in the sky. But what you can do is you can create a new blank layer, choose black color, and then make this brush bigger, and then click like this. And then what you can do is go to the smooth tool, and then holding shift key you can just drag it like this, and you can just put it below this sphere like this, and then turn the opacity down, okay, like this. So this looks like a shadow, okay, of this crystal ball. So that's how you make a crystal ball hanging in the sky. Crystal ball or sphere, surreal sphere, whatever you call it. So that's how you do it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.